We work with agency owners who want to have more right fit prospects in the pipeline. And you do that by marketing with a book and a speech. And the key thing is to publish a book that you're proud of. If you're not proud of the book, Craig, how are you going to get anybody else to love the book? And this is all part of authority marketing. And I say you can't spell authority without the word author. Being an author puts you as an authority, and then there's other things you need to do where you're on podcasts, you do your own podcast, you get on people's virtual stages, real stages, and you're relentlessly helpful to people by giving them valuable information on how they can improve their business right now. We say publishing the book is the starting line, and you need to get people who don't know about you to hear about the book. And you do that by going on a speaking tour on podcasts and other places, talking about the important message in your book. And then you also do it by either doing a podcast like you do, or I have my own TV show. I have Agency Rainmaker TV. I've done this for 2 years, and I have authorities from the world of agencies and also other worlds that come on and give agency owners advice and how to make it rain, how to get more right fit clients, not just wrong fit clients. We all got plenty of those, right fit clients. Craig Lauder is a marketing sales consultant. So I've worked with him on a couple of books. On his first book, he's never cared about selling a book. He gives the books away in the mail with the postage and the printing costs. It costs him $10 a book. And he's given away hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of books. And he credits that with making almost $1 million. And he's increased his sales closing rate to 88%. Because people get the book, they look through it, they know his philosophy, they've got some credentials there. And when they have that meaningful conversation with him, that conversation where you really get down to brass tacks, they're pre-sold. He's the authority in the field.